In this video, I want to show you how you can create a landing page inside of ConvertKit. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to have your landing page copy, and then you also need to have a ConvertKit account. If you do not know how to create this account, I already have a video that shows you exactly how to do that. So in this video, I just want to create the landing page, and I've asked ChatGPT to just write me a simple landing page copy for my Facebook ads business targeting e-commerce brand. And here I have the headline, I have the sub headline, and then I have like the benefits and all of that. So to turn this into a landing page inside of ConvertKit or kit.com, we first want to come into our ConvertKit account. So if you come here, you see where we have grow, send, automate, and earn. So if you come to grow, you click on it, we have landing pages and form. So we click on landing pages. Scroll down, you see all the landing pages that you've created before, but I want to create a new one. So I come here, I click on create new. So here you decide if you want to create just a form that you can embed on your website, or a full landing page where we can capture email. So let's click on landing page. Here you find a different templates that you can use to create your landing page depending on what you want to do. So we have very simple landing pages that we can use. So I'm going to look for the one that suits my style or my vibe. So I like this one. I'm just going to click on choose. So now we have the landing page and we can customize everything we have right here except this footer here. So here we have the background, which we can change or we can turn to a color. And on top here we have the font, which we can also change, and the body font, which we can also change, and we have the accent color, which again we can also change. We have the form here, and this form is how they subscribe to the list that we are going to create very soon. So the first thing I like to do is I want to rename this landing page. So I'm going to come here and click on rename. So I just renamed it, and I can even add a page to my landing page. So if you click on add a page, you can just add a new page to your landing page. So your new page is basically going to become your thank you page. But first, let's customize our landing page. So you want to come back to our landing page here, and everything we have here we can customize. Again, the first thing you need to do is to decide if you like the font and if you like the colors of the font before you can change it. So to do that, you can come to headings and you can click on the drop down and you can change it to what you want. Usually, I think I like Poppins or Anton or any other one. I don't know if they have Poppins, but I'm going to use Meriwether Sands. So I can also change the body text, which I am going to change. So I click on the body text and I think I like this railway. So the body text has changed to railway. So we now have headings, Meriwether, and body. Now I want to change the accent to blue because I like blue more. So I can come here, select on blue, and I can change it to blue. So now we now have blue right here. The next thing I need to do is just to replace everything I have right here with what I now have with ChatGPT. So this is going to be my heading, which is turn your store into a sales machine with Facebook ads that actually convert. So I copy that and I want to come back to my landing page here. So I can click on this and I can basically just copy and paste. So this has now been changed. I want to copy the body font and I can also copy and paste it. So now I've copied and pasted both the header and the body font. So let's say I wanted to give them an ebook or a checklist. I can just click on this book and I can change it. So if you click on the book, you'll be able to remove it, replace it, and or delete it. So let's say I have a checklist. I can click on edit here and I can put the picture of the ebook they are going to get right here. So I'm just going to click on replace. So without wasting time, I'm just going to select this one, and it's going to become our ebook cover. So our ebook cover has been replaced, and for the form, you can just click on the form and you can, let's say, edit the label. So let's say put your email address right here, or type in your email address. So it's going to show right here. You can also change the font color, and you can change the border color. You can change the radius if you want it. So if you want to change the CTA here, you can click on it and you can write what you want to write. So in my case, I can say download the checklist. So I've just changed it to download checklist. In the background, I can also change it to maybe blue, because I think I like blue. So that's more of purple. I can change it to blue. Can change the font color, but I really like it this way. And that's basically it. Here, this bottom part, we can either fill it or we can delete it. So if you click on any part of it, you have the option to either fill it or delete it. So as you can see, I want to give them a checklist, which means I want to give them something. So after they fill this email, they should be able to download something directly from the website. So to do that, you want to come to the settings here, and this is where you decide what happens after they fill the form. So you can just give them a success message, or you can redirect them to a thank you page, which is the second page that we created. All right, or we can redirect them to an external page. But what we want to do is actually to give them a PDF. So to do that, you want to come here, click on incentive, and this is where you can upload the PDF that you've downloaded. So I have this simple PDF here that I want to give them, and I have selected the PDF. So after they put their email, they will be redirected to get this PDF. So once you upload it, you can click on save. So the moment they fill this email, they'll be able to get a PDF. So you want to come here, you click on publish and save. So our ebook is now ready, or our landing page is now ready. So because we've done that, we cannot send them to a thank you page. So if you want to preview it, you can now click on this. This is what it's going to look like. You want to remember to fill this part if you need that part. So to get our landing page link, you can click on share right here, and you can share directly by giving them the link. You can also embed it to your WordPress website, but I'm just going to share it so you see how it works. So this is a simple landing page that we've created inside of ConvertKit. And here, this is the header, this is on the ebook cover, and this is the body text. They come here, they can put their email address, and we can add them directly into a sequence or an automation that we've created. So if they put their email address here, they will be able to download a PDF that we have promised to give them. So if they put the email, they can just click on download checklists, and they'll be able to download the checklist. They will also receive an email that allows them to confirm their subscription before they can download the checklist. So I want to go to my email now, and I should be able to get an email to confirm. So in the spam folder, you can see we got this email at about 9:54 p.m. So if you click on this, you can see that this email came through ConvertKit, and you can click confirm my subscription.